coming in from the garage. Stairwell go down there, pantry, half bath, wife. Walk into kitchen, into the dining room, and into the great room where we can sit and just ponder the view. Foyer. Gotta open up the front door a little bit. Couldn't get a rough opening with it. That is where the walk-in closet comes out. Go through the doorway into the master bedroom. Another big view door. And the master bath will be down there with the walk-in closet. That's the home.